So I figured I'll make a different kind of video today. I don't know about you guys, but I always get excited on future releases and what changes are made to the motorcycle world. I mean, 9 times out of 10, it's always the same thing, the same model, the same brand. But with the KLR700 just released, perhaps manufacturers are cranking up its paces in technology and design. The KLR700 for sure seemed to be a great hit with everyone. So Kawasaki just released a promotional video stating they will be revealed on November 23rd. 6 brand new motorcycles. So leave your comments below, let me know what you guys think they are. I will leave a video link on their promotional video below, which is on their website. Now, what they mean by 6 brand new motorcycles, I'm not sure if they mean 6 brand new styles, models, or brand new meaning brand new for the year, with the original model still stringing along. Street bikes are awesome and all, but my main focus and emphasis are adventure and dual sport motorcycles. So there are only 3 I am interested in, and I'm really curious to what they are. If you take a look at the video, some clues are given, but still linger in the shadow. The very first motorcycle is kind of a given. It has spokes, skinny tires, and a very short teaser that displayed the bike transitioning onto dirt shortly after hitting that spotlight. If you also look closely, they do have dual sport tires, but more on the aggressive side. And if you take a look at this picture carefully, it almost looks like it has some kind of wind barrier. The clip shows it jumping from pavement to a pretty rugged dirt atmosphere, which indicates some kind of lightweight adventurized dual sport. Now, not too long ago, I ended up coming across a post on Instagram about someone leaking one of their bikes, and if I'm not mistaken, I think it was the KLX550 with a Dakar rally look. But definitely take this with a grain of salt, as you guys all know exactly how Instagram posts are like. At the end of the day, we will never know until the release date. But anyways, it almost looked like the KLR450L Rally, but of course in green. Unfortunately, I cannot find the post again, so I guess we will have to wait until it is revealed. But I really do hope it is something of that nature, because that would honestly be what a lot of adventure riders and dual sport riders are looking for. Now, of course, the third motorcycle displayed is for sure some kind of an aggressive adventure motorcycle. Now, we all know and been wondering what Kawasaki has been producing, and nothing comes to mind like a KLR650. Now, a bunch of rumors are circling around that a KLR700 might be thrown into the mix in order to have a chance alongside of the KLR700. Many clues are given on this short clip, especially the shadows. The mountains, rivers, rocks, and pavements are all thrown into the mix, which usually indicates some kind of adventurized long-distance travel, of course with the emphasis of off-roading. Now, the biggest giveaway of this particular motorcycle is this shadow right here. Now, I'm going to go ahead and pause it, let you guys examine it for a little bit, and as you can see, it almost takes relations of the KLR650. So it is almost a dead giveaway that for sure it is a adventurized motorcycle. Perhaps the KLR650 redone, who knows? As for the second motorcycle, not much has really been given, but by far this is the most mysterious. But if you look at it, I do see spokes, however the tires do not really seem like a 21-inch wheel, and knobbies are not really present, which indicates a more gravitational pull towards the road, with light dirt roads in mind perhaps. However, the biggest clue for the second motorcycle is the track-like atmosphere. So you have a track atmosphere, you have spoke wheels that's about 17 inches. My guess is it is probably the KLX250 Supermoto. As for me, and I'm sure many others can relate, I do hope it is some kind of the car KLX450 or even a KLX550 rally type of dual sport. I'm not entirely sure if the KLX250 is part of this lineup, as on their website does not indicate a KLX250 2021 yet, but I am sure they will continue their traditions on the KLX250 with minimal changes. Or at least I hope they decide to make a street legal KLX350. And I am sure that would be a huge hit with many people. Anyhow, let me know what you guys think. What models do you hope they release, or perhaps even what would you wish Kawasaki would release? Whatever they are, I will provide an update, and if something catches my eye, I probably would even consider a test ride. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.